Hello children, now second class mathematics. Take your textbook children, take your textbook and sharp your pencil. So what is our chapter children now? 15th chapter. Measure of liquids. Say measure spelling MEASURE, measure. OF of LIQUIDS, liquids. MEASURE, measure. OF of LIQUIDS, liquids. LIQUIDS, liquids. Measure of liquids. So in previous class too, we are already learning this. Yes children, now take out page number 108. Take children 108. All of you open it. Open your book. Page number 108. Exercise. Draw in the box a vessel with holds less water than the vessel shown below. See here, draw in the box a vessel which holds less water than the vessel shown below. They are given one vessel only. Here is shown bucket only. Yes children. So less water. Dinikanna takwa. So less water vessel only. Here only draw. See here, I am drawing here glass only children. See children, here I am drawing the glass. See, just like you keep first. Glass. See children, here also draw. Glass. So bucket to more water only. Bucket hold more water. This glass hold less water only children. Yes, are you understand? This bucket hold more water. This glass hold less water. Less water, glass. Draw all of you. Neatly draw children. Glass. See here. Glass or jug or mug. Anything your wish only children. That all in less only for bucket too. Next one. Draw in the box a vessel which holds more water than quality shown below. See children. See all of you. See children here. Draw in the box a vessel which holds less water than the vessel shown below. So here bucket having children. That bucket to more quantity only. Less quantity. Mug. See here. Draw all of you. Draw children. See here. Draw this jug, children. Sorry, mug. Mug. This one, bucket. Bucket holds more water. This mug holds less water. Yes, children? Here, draw in the box a vessel which holds more water than quality shown below. See here. This glass holds less water. And their jug hold less, more water only. This jug more water. So draw the jug, children. Draw all of you. Draw neatly, children. Draw neatly, children. Draw neatly, children. See here, what is this? Jug. Jug. Here, mug. Draw all of you, children. Draw neatly. What is this, children? This one? Glass. Glass. Are you completed? Draw neatly, children. Okay, now third bit. See third bit, children. Give ranking to the following vessels according to the quality of water each can hold. So, which vessel more water having? More quantity having? That too? Keep numbers, okay? So, bucket, more quantity. Pot, some less quantity. Jug, some less quantity. Mug, some less quantity. Glass, some less quantity. Understand, children? Bucket, big only. Some more quantity of water hold only. This bucket. You know, children, this pot. Pot and jug and mug. Glass. Glass, small quantity only. Glass is small quantity. That glass to more, mug. Some glass to more quantity. Jug, more, again more. Pot, some more. Bucket, so much more. See here, children. Fourth bit. Say how much water does each vessel hold? Say how much water does each vessel hold? Find out by actual measuring. Find out by actual measuring. Into a, what is this children? Jug. How many glasses of water can be poured? So in your home having children this one? Jug, mug. See children, in your home having jug, mug, pot. In your home this like having. So you are called binde. That one too you keep it, okay? See here. Into a jug. So how many jugs? One jug. How many glasses of water can be poured? So ఈ జగ్లో ఎన్ని గ్లాసెస్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ పోస్తే ఫిల్ అవుతుంది. ఆర్ యు అండర్స్టాండ్? ఇంటూ ఏ జగ్ హౌ మెనీ గ్లాసెస్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ కెన్ బి poured? So this glass too poured here. How many glasses? You count it children. Okay. Estimate. First of all you estimate it children. First guess చేయండి, తర్వాత measure చేయండి. Okay. Estimate, then measured and find out. Next one. Into a this vessel. How many jugs of water can be poured? Here how many jugs of water can be poured? Estimate, then measure and find out. See here, into a drum. You have in your home this like drums. So how many buckets of water can be poured? Estimate, then measure and find out. See here children. Based on the above activity, fill in the table given below. Say who has estimated correctly. Serial number, name of your friend who did the above activity. So write your friend's name who did this activity right here. Estimated, measure. Estimate that measure. Actual measurement made. So actual you are which like you are measuring how many glasses are, how many jugs are, how many buckets of water will came. So right here actual measurement made. So estimation was correct or wrong? Estimated sum first of all. So that estimated is correct or wrong, you keep here. Okay. Okay children, don't waste water children. Are you understand? Take some water and estimate it and measure it. So don't waste it water. Teacher is saying in that too, pouring means you are all members opening the tap and simply uttiga waste cheyadu. Okay. Okay children. In next topic, in next class I will explaining. This one do practice children. This also draw properly. Okay children.